Hello and welcome to the channel. I hope everybody's doing wonderful today. I've got this new True Plasma Lighter XR. It says it's here, it's a rechargeable arc. Not sure if you can see that there or not, but it is extendable neck, which it does. That's one of the things I wanted to try the most on it. And windproof up to 80 miles an hour. And you can see here, it's got the little arc, and then it has where it recharges it there. Is a USB-C rechargeable with a USB-A connector on the opposite end. So it is not a USB-C to USB-C. It does have the USB-C-A to the USB-C. Flexible neck. It has the water resistant housing, USB rechargeable lanyard. But again, I just wanted to kind of open this up and show you what it is, and then later on, I will give you my breakdown of what I think about it. I will have a affiliate link in the description below for it through Amazon. So if you want to try it, and I will be getting back with y'all on this. But again, I do appreciate you stopping by. This is just basically the opening and unboxing of it. Let's see if we can't get it open. You know how all these things are always so hard. Whoop, that ain't gonna work. Let's see what we can do here. Here we go. It's one of those deals that if you don't do it right the first time, there ain't no retake on the video. Alright, now let's go this way. And we will go. Ooh, I hate this plastic. Okay. Let's see what we got. Yeah. Come on now. Can you believe how hard they make these? Ooh, there it went. I shot a piece of it off. But here we go. Here's the unit itself. You can see that. It has a little plastic cover on it. That's pretty neat. I guess that's just for the shipping. It goes down and comes back up. And this goes over and clicks in. I don't know if it's got any charge on it. I'm just opening it up for the first time. Push the button, raise it up. Let's see what it's got. I'll be darned. Can y'all see that? I like that because you can do a bend on it. And I hate when you use a regular lighter, then the flames coming back up at you and everything. So that's one of the main things. But again, I will have the links below. It's a neat, well-made piece. Rubber O-ring gasket there. Seeing is believing. But again, I do appreciate y'all stopping by. And if there's any other questions, I will have those later. Or if you want to put those in the description below, I will get back to you sooner. But again, I thank you so much. And y'all have a great and wonderful day. And check out the links below. It doesn't cost you anything. And it will help out the channel. But again, please like and subscribe. And if there's ever any questions, please give me a holler. Y'all have a great and true and wonderful day. Bye-bye.